My loves, I am delighted to introduce you to Not All Fishermen Wear Pants. And this is fabulous as a journal topper, as a journal insert, but where it really wins through for me is as a greetings card or as happy mail. It's absolutely ridiculously fantastic. Let's have a look at what's going on inside. First of all, we've got these little removable sardine tags. And these little starfish are also removable underneath this title here. If we take out, if we take our fisherman, oh, let's have a look first. The fisherman is revering the humble sardine, and you can see here this religious iconography of him holding up the tin of sardines in front of this sun symbol here that forms the lighthouse. It's absolutely glorious. Here is our fisherman revering the sardine, and he is double-sided inside his boat, and even the tin of sardines is double-sided. Look at that, he's covered in tattoos. Let's take him out. Remembering the title, Not All Fishermen Wear Pants, we take out our fisherman, and he's actually a merman. Isn't that just glorious? And inside we've got a lovely big writing space there. So that's our merman and our boat. And that's the reason I love it for happy mail or a card, because you get this nonsensical reveal here. I think it's just absolutely glorious. And then we have more. We have our lighthouse inside the wallet, and we can take out our lighthouse. And our lighthouse is a big old writing space as well, and it will also stand up. And inside our lighthouse, we've got one more surprise. And that one more surprise is Our Lady of the Tides sardines there. We've got this lovely sardine tin. We can open that up. Inside, we've got these sardines that have got religious icons in them. This guy really is big on celebrating the holy sardine, and why wouldn't he be? And inside here, we've got a big old writing space as well. So there we go, my loves. Absolute nonsensical brilliance, whimsical, loads of fun. Come with me and let's see how it's made. Right, my loves, I've got my bits and bobs cut out. This is so much fun. I'm on 200 gram throughout. You can go 250 if you want to. And I'm not reverse printing anything. And we are ready to make a start. And I'm going to begin with the pocket, and the pocket has got several layers. We've got this background piece. I've got a bit of banding on my printer there, ignore that completely. Then we've got this piece here is going second, this piece here is going third, and this little piece here is going on the front. So all of that is going to be layered pockets. So let's get stuck in. Now we haven't got much room. You can see here we've only got a little bit of space either side, so I'm going to go really, really skinny with this glue down the edges and across the bottom and up this edge as well. As fine as can be with those lines there. It'll be enough to hold it. And stick this piece down on top like that. So then we've got our second piece, which has got this tall wave, these tall waves on it. I'm going to come down here. It's not so critical that we get the narrow edges on this one. The narrow edges was for the back pocket, because that's going to house the lighthouse. It's funny in this game. I'm often saying sentences I never thought I'd say. There we go. And then the last one, a little seam of glue across there. Stick this one on. And there's your pocketses, my precious. There's your pocketses. We'll leave that to dry and we'll have a look at these other pieces. Now this is the lighthouse, and the lighthouse is two pieces going back to back, and that's going to open. It's an opening card, loads of writing space in there. So I'll grab my scoring board and I'm going to come, doesn't really matter where you go, I'm going to go point to point here where the top of the lighthouse goes into the curve of the main body of the lighthouse. And isn't that a beautiful lighthouse? I'd have a pair of leggings made out of that lighthouse. See, there's another sentence I never thought I'd say. Daft. I'm going to glue the top of my lighthouse, and there's another one. Stick it together. I like that. There, And then I've got an opening card. Oh, my lighthouse will also stand up. Didn't think about that, but it will. There we go. Pop that to one side to dry. And now we've got the Fisherman. And isn't he glorious? He's a mermaid. When I had this idea, honestly, I couldn't wait to get started. Couldn't wait. He's going to be an opening card as well. We just need to decide where we're going to score him. Really, I guess just the tail could open if you wanted to. You could just score across his lovely belly and his tattoos there. I'm going to go under his armpits because I want maximum writing space, and I'm going to score the back piece so I don't see the score on the front. So armpit to armpit, line him up right the way across his octopus tattoo and glue him together just at the top bit. You can glue this together in one piece if you want to just make a whimsical little single piece doodah, you can do. Offs. Get the front, line it all up beautifully, and there he is celebrating the holy sardine. Isn't that amazing? And then obviously the back there where we've scored, that will become our little writing space in this lovely merman's tail. We've got a pocket for him here. The pocket we're going to glue around the edges. You don't have to come right to the top. Makes life easier if you've got a little bit of wiggle room up there at the top. All the way around the edges. Stick the front onto the back. And there it is. So you can see, once you've got these pieces cut out, it's actually a really straightforward job, and you know, maximum whimsy. How ridiculously lovely is this? I'm going to fold the top of me sardines now over first, and then I'm going to fold this bottom section up to meet it. Now your sardines, my loves, your sardines are now viewable in this beautiful tin. And we've got a back to the tin as well. Our Lady of the Tide sardines in pure olive oil. There we go. How gorgeous is that? We've also got our lovely title here. Now, I haven't inked anything, and I've done that deliberately because I sometimes like that little white glow of the cut edge of the white paper. So I'm leaving that intact for this kit. Apart from that one, I think I'll ink that one. This little label is going to go on the front like that. Not all fishermen wear pants. I'm going to glue either end. You can glue this down solidly if you want to, but I like to make a pocket on a tuck spot where I can. So there we go. There's my little label down like that. That's looking glorious. We're almost done. I'm not sure this glue is quite dry, but we'll go for it anyway. So the lighthouse goes behind in the back wave there. The fisherman goes in this pocket here, and it's totally designed so you don't get that reveal. If you're sending this as happy mail, and why wouldn't you? Also great for a mail card, also great for Pride as well, which is coming up very soon at the time I'm making this video, even though we celebrate it all the time. Right, so he goes in the next pocket there, and then we've got our beautiful, beautiful sardines, which are going to slot. Oh, where have I designed them to slot? Oh, actually, my loves, actually the sardines are designed to sit inside the card. There we are, forgot about that. That then goes in there. So that's a secret little extra that you get that you don't even know that you're getting when you get this card. And then we've got a couple of sardines, and the sardines are just little tags that are going in the front pocket here, or wherever you think they should go crossed like that. They look, what a load of absolute nonsense. How fabulous. The idea began with the title, Not All Fishermen Wear Pants, and it made me chuckle, and I didn't know what it meant when it came to me in my head, and this is what it turned into. I love it so much. It's nonsense. We can pop a little one of these starfish in there. can't we? You can glue one on if you like, if you want to, or we can just have them as little, tiny little tags that tuck under the front there. There he is, all layered up. I think he's absolutely fantastic. When your recipient, if you send this, and it's a beautiful one for sending because it's so unexpected, you've got this stupid title, not all fishermen wear pants. I mean, what even does that mean? Then you've got him here in his boat like that, worshipping the holy sardine, and you pull him out and he's actually a merman. How fabulous. And you've got a writing space in there. And you're pulling out this lighthouse now, thinking, okay, so this is the main card. And you open this up, and you've got a lovely big writing space there. And then inside here, you've got your sardines with a big old writing space there. Beautiful, whimsical journal topper or journal insert. But for Happy Mail, it's an absolute winner for me because you've got such a beautiful, whimsical, frankly, ridiculous surprise. I hope you love it, my loves. I will see you next time.